In this quick tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to export a single frame into an image here in After Effects. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 9 of 365. Today is a very special day for me because it's my birthday, and despite this event I'm not going to stop making these tutorials. So let's start with the tutorial. Here in the composition you have to go to the frame you want to export. I want to export this single frame. So once you are there, you have to go to composition and select save frame as and select file. You will be here in the render queue and you have to click here where it says Photoshop, and here you can select the format you want to export. So it will be a Photoshop, a TIFF, a JPEG or an PNG. I'm going to select a PNG because I want this for a thumbnail for my tutorial. And if you want the image to have the alpha channel, you have to select RGB plus alpha and then hit OK. Then go to the output here. Here you can select the destination and the name. I'm going to name this thumbnail, hit save, and you just render, and here is the image. It's a pretty quick and easy process. So yeah, that is the tutorial for today, and I will see you in the next tutorial. See ya.